Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Hurricane Martini. Of course, the original Hurricane was invented at Pat O'Brien's in New Orleans on Bourbon Street. It's traditionally served in a tall glass, preferably a Hurricane glass. So they actually have a glass, a specific bar glass that's named after the drink. But we're not going to make that today. We're going to do a Martini-Style Hurricane. This is definitely a shake and drink, but we're just going to stir it today. So I'm just going to put some ice in my cocktail shaker here. All right, and we got an ounce of white rum, an ounce of dark rum, and I'm going to go the juice from half a lime. Watch your eyes, Mookie. And we're going to go a half an ounce of passion fruit syrup. And a splash of passion fruit liqueur. And we'll just give that a little stir up. And I'm going to strain that into my martini glass. And I got a nice lemon wedge as a garnish. And that, my friends, is a Hurricane Martini. So coming up next. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.